back to English with Coach Antoine. In this video, I'm going to teach you the greeting words. Okay, the greeting words, how to greet someone in English. But the best thing you are going to do for me is to repeat after me. Repeating is a good way to help you improve your English. Okay, guys? How to greet someone in English. How to greet someone in English. Okay? When meeting someone for the first time, you say hi or hello. Hi or hello. What does that mean? Hi. What does that mean? Hi. Hi. It's a greeting word that you use when meeting someone for the first time. Okay, for example, I meet Mr. John for the first time. I say, hi, Mr. John. I greet Mr. John. Okay? Hello. Hello is the same word as hi. If I want to say hi, I can say hello. I can say hello. Okay? Okay. I can use hi with a name. I can use hi without a name. For example, with a name, hi, Mr. John. Without a name, hi. Okay? Good morning. Good morning. Okay, what does that mean, good morning? Good morning, it's a greeting word they use in the morning. Okay? Good morning. When meeting someone for the first time in the morning, you say good morning. Good morning, Mr. John. Okay? I meet Mr. John this morning. Okay, I say, good morning, Mr. John. Okay? But if I met Mr. John in the afternoon, I won't say good morning. I will say good afternoon. Okay, good afternoon. What does that mean, good afternoon? Good afternoon. It's a greeting word they use in the afternoon when meeting someone for the first time. Okay, when meeting someone for the first time in the afternoon, you say good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay? Good evening. Good evening. What does that mean, good evening? Good evening, it's a greeting word they use. They use about 6 or 7 o'clock p.m. For example, I meet Mr. John at 6 or 7 o'clock p.m. I say, good evening, Mr. Paul. Good evening, Mr. Paul. Good evening, Mr. Paul. Okay, good night. What does that mean, good night? Good night, it's also a greeting word they use when meeting someone at night. You relieve the person you are meeting. For example, I meet Mr. Paul. Okay, while I'm talking to Mr. Paul at night, I want to leave Mr. Paul. I say, good night, Mr. Paul. Good night. Okay, it's a great word we use when leaving someone at night. Okay, guys. Okay, right now. Okay, let's turn it back. Okay, repeat by yourself. Repeat by yourself. Hi. Yeah, that's great. Hi. Hello. Hello. Great. Good morning. Yeah. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. right. That's great. Okay. Sir. 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 Repeat. Sir. Mr. Mr. Ma'am. Ma'am. Mrs. Mrs. Madam. Madam. Miss. Miss. Okay, sir. What does that mean, sir? Sir, it's an abbreviation they use for a man or a boy. For example, I want to greet a boy or a man. I don't know his name. Okay? I can say hi. I can say hi, sir. Hi, sir. Hi, sir. Yeah. Hi, sir. Okay? I use sir, okay, without a name. Okay? Hi, sir. Hi, sir. Okay? If I don't want to say hi, sir, I can say hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Or hi, sir. Okay, guys? Okay, Mr. Mr. is the same word or as the same meaning with the word sir. But when you use the word Mr., you use this word with a name. For example, Mr. plus a name. Okay? Mr. John. Okay? Mr. was John and name. Okay? Mr. John. Okay? Hi, Mr. John. Hi, Mr. John. But I can't say hi, Sir John. No, don't say that. If you say that, you make a mistake. Don't say that. Okay? Say that instead. Hi, Mr. John. Don't say hi, Sir John. Because, sir, when you use the word sir, you don't want to use a name. Okay? Hi, sir. Okay, if I want to say hi, sir, like I said, you can say hi, or you can say hello, sir. Okay. Ma'am. Ma'am. What does that mean, ma'am? Ma'am, that means madam. Ma'am, it's an abbreviation that you use for a woman. Okay? You use ma'am for a woman. For example, I meet someone. I want to greet him or her. Okay? But I want to greet her. I meet someone, but a girl or a woman. I want to greet her. I say, hi, ma'am, or hello, ma'am. Okay? If I don't want to use the person's name, I say, hi, ma'am, or hello, ma'am. But right now, if I want to say hi was a name, I would say hi, Mr. James. But don't say hi, Mom. Never say that. Hi, Mom. Never say that. Hi, Mrs. Jeanette. Hello, Mrs. Bullet. Never say hello, Mom. Jeanette. Never say that. Okay? Because ma'am used without a name but Mrs. is the same meaning or the same word as man, but you use Mrs. with a name. For example, hello, Mrs. Bullet. Okay? Hi, ma'am. Okay, madam. Madam. Madam is the same word as Mrs. Okay, it's the same word as Mrs. Okay, for example, I can say hi, madam, or hello, madam. Okay? Hello, madam. Okay. Good morning, madam. I can say that. What if I meet a girl or a woman? Okay, but I don't know if she's engaged. Okay, but I can say hi or hello. Okay, that's all for today. I invite you to watch another video. Thank you.